Hi guys, today I'm playing Fortnite, and I got some decent loot. I have C4, I have this, C4, and a bunch of. The new upgrade with the C4 is awesome. I think I'm gonna need that. I feel about like right here, so I'm gonna build right here. Yeah. I don't like this. I hear someone. Oh. Crap, that was bad. I don't have a pump. Dang it. Okay, let's hope alt is on. He's on. Yes. It's white. Okay, guys, we're gonna play Vaulted now. Fortnite. Oh, it's right. Vaulted. Dang it, turn around. Well, I'll come back once Alton is here. And welcome back. We're back with Alton.
I won my solo win.
Nice.
I got my solo win.
I'm recording. Yeah. It's completely fine.
I got my first solo win though.
I've never gone on yet. I've never gotten a solo win on this account. The Blockbuster. Just saying, we're probably gonna go somewhere quiet, like not tilted, because Alton's pretty laggy. Like, he literally is. I've been to his house, it's so laggy. He even has it at the lowest settings. It's laggy. Lag. Okay, where are we going? Oh wait, you're not in yet. Here's my recommendation. Okay, Alton, hurry up.
You know what's funny?
What?
I won on my IG round.
Was it a noob?
No. So I was, and then these two people fought each other, and then they go down. I had one impersonate left, I threw him in the storm, and then shot him.
Nice. I'm going here. I love this glider. I would love it. Like, literally. Yeah, if no one comes here, yeah. Sweet cash. It's so. I was drinking, I wasn't focused.
I need to like get.
Oh, there goes. I could have gone out to push though. Oh, really? Come on. This is my spot. I mean, oh, smart. Yep. Great, I'm out of ammo. I need the pistol. I'm sorry, I took all the way out. Dude, that guy couldn't kill us and he had a pump. I'm a little laggy. Not bad though. Wow, I took no damage at all. Oh, yes, I got double pump. Then, I'm like, shh. Double pump, boys. Gosh. Yes. That's right, what do we do? Nope, I hear someone. He's right there. Got him. I get out of the... You can get the heavy if you want. I just did the strategy method. I'm like, hey guys, I got elimination. Yes.
Oh yeah, one of my missions is survive.
Wow, that's easy. I've done that. I've done that. I think. Go. By the way, Alton does have the blockbuster.
What?
Alton has a blockbuster, the best thing ever. In my opinion, at least. This is literally, Alton is so fast at building. Not like Ninja, but he literally is like this. He can make a 1x1 so fast. Yeah, I can do it also. Oh, let's go depot. Watch me get sniped when I'm doing this. Same.
Oh, what the? Somebody's in here.
Good. No, watch this. Oh, they're up here. I see them. Watch. What are they doing? I'm going on the roof. What the heck is this strategy? What the heck were they freaking doing? Hey guys, it's a new strategy in Fortnite. Box yourself in Dusty Depot. Dude, and then I just finished that guy. Oh my gosh, this freaking shit. Die! No, stupid thing. How many layers does this thing have?
I don't know what it is. See my strategy though?
Yeah, I saw your strategy. Dude, literally, I saw this guy right here. I just went, BOMB! Who do I like to say? Did you get the Zoe's wood?
What?
Oh, stink bomb!
Yeah.
I'm getting ready to build. Yeah? Yep, they see us. Oh, crap. Oh, wow. I'm dead. You're dead, though. You're good. Okay, I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you want to see more, like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. And bye! And have a good day.